go, right across the hill, sharp left turn. You see the, oh, didn't navigate that corner very well. Remember, you got to look far ahead. Ooh, slow down. Look far ahead, adjust your speed. Maintain some good throttle control, relax, and just keep looking through the turn. If you can't see the turn, you can't see through the turn, slow it down so you can have time to make adjustments if you have to. If you're going too fast, you're going to have to make adjustments on the fly super fast. Here we go. Mess with a biker, lose a mirror. No, that's not a good equation that you would fail that test if that was a math test. It's not what happens. Not all the time. It's not definitive. I have no idea what they did. I wasn't paying attention. I was still trying to figure out that math problem. Is that a red light? Nope, green light. Here we go. So I'm trying to pay attention to what's in front, you know, not what's behind me. What are the hazards up there? Okay, we got intersection. We got orange stage. We're a blind spot. Let's get out of the way. Okay, Liquor Chronicles kind of explains a little bit. Ooh, very high risk, no reward. The only reason why you're running is because you're an idiot. Haley Barnard. Okay, there was an open gap. Did a great job navigating around that because that's part of planning your ride, locating the hazard, but then navigated with some evasive maneuvers. All right, he was having a heart attack.
He was not passive in such a situation, and his invaluable help probably saved life.
What?
Uh-oh.
Okay.
So this is a medical emergency. There's not much you could do with your rescue kit to help out with this part. That's a medical emergency. So trauma is what we basically pay attention to. But medical stuff, there's so much that goes into it. So good thing on SAN 420, immediately getting help. So that person probably couldn't call 911 from up there. We still have this where it's remain calm, ensure your own safety, and stop major bleeds, and quickly assess. But the thing is, remain calm and get 911 on the way.
Alright.
Yeah.
He's gonna tell his buddies, hey, we got a call.
I will go.
Thank you.
Up this way, right?
Yeah.
He's like, we got a call, we gotta go.
This way.
Still remain calm, ensure your own safety, but make sure you get 911 started.
Honda.
Very important.
There's two of them. There's a guy sitting in the passenger guy is having a heart attack.
You guys got the AED, right?
The AED,
yeah.
so automatic external defibrillator. That's something that you see like in libraries, public buildings. You see it on the wall, it says AED. One sec, let's pause that real quick. When he's yelling out AED and everything. So you see that stuff on the wall at malls and everything. So what you have to do is just open that thing up. When somebody's down and it looks like they're having a heart attack or they're just unconscious, pull that thing off the wall and then open it up. It has instructions. It literally says plug in the pads. Place pads on bare chest, and then it tells you how to do it. It has pictures, it walks you through it. All you have to do is push a button once to start it, and then a button to shock it. If it says there needs to be a shock, you don't have to read anything. That's exactly what you should do. You should call 911 and get that thing if there's somebody unconscious. I'm surprised not a lot of people know what an AED is. Put that, oh, that lost a little traction on that rear tire, went up and over. I mean, just look at how foggy it is. So we got a lot of wet moisture, tires might be cold, time of day, first thing in the morning possibly. So make sure you're taking it easy when you first start riding on your way to work. Roundabout side of the vehicle came out of nowhere. That scared him because he was looking right, all of a sudden that vehicle's coming and he looks forward, boom, it's there. We need to be paying attention to the first available hazard, really. So look, keep going. Head on a swivel. Paul Nutting. Here we go. I missed what that was. I was looking at his name. Was that a little dog? I think that was a little dog. Here we go. This is where the fun begins. I would not be doing this. This is something that just not my cup of tea. With snow, ice on the road. See, like I wouldn't even know what I'm looking at there because it's freaking black ice. So there's nothing you can do about it. And then there it is. Loss of traction. It's bad enough having oil on the road after a rain or during a rain. Now you got ice. Okay, so low traction issues. So how do we mitigate some of that stuff if we have to do it? Make sure you're wearing full gear. Wear heated gear so that you're not tensing up and you're shivering on the motorcycle and shaking things. Wear something to where the elements aren't going to affect you, and then also wear protective parts of it because this is a real possibility. And he has protection for his motorcycle, so you can protect your motorcycle just in case. Okay, it's just a higher risk, higher chance of actually dropping the bike.
You've enjoyed it.
But the main thing here is you protect as much as you possibly can because you just kind of baked it in, you budgeted in that this is what's going to happen.